In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a single user in AD Pro Toolkit and how to use user templates to speed up the process. Instead of filling everything out from scratch each time, you set up a template once with all the default values for a specific role or department, and then the new user you create from the template inherits all those settings automatically. So let's look at a quick example, and then I'll show you how to set up your own templates. So I've created a template called accounting. And if I click on properties, it's got a lot of information already filled out. So you just come in and you fill out what information you want filled out for your template. You can add them to all kinds of information here. You can add them to groups, other information like logon folders, proxy addresses, and general information. And you can set the logon name format, display name format, and UPN format. And you just click the drop down to change that format. So, and the organizational unit. So as I start typing in the first name and the last name, you'll see the display name, username, and user principal name is automatically generated based off the naming formats I've selected here. And then I'll come into account password and I'll just have it auto-generate a password. And then I will go browse to this account and you'll see it's automatically populated all this information. Okay, so here's the account I created with the template. See telephone number, email address, address information is already populated. It automatically added the user to all these groups, added the organizational information. So as you can see, it speeds up and helps streamline and make account creation consistent. So let's just start with a blank, no template. And then all you have to do is come in here and fill it out. So I will set the organizational units. I will just set some randomly set a few things here. So just configure whatever you want. I will add it to some groups. And then all you have to do is click Save As, name it. And now anytime you open the app, so I'll just come back to it and you can select your template and then start entering the account details, and everything else will be pre-populated. So that's how you use the templating system in the AD Pro Toolkit to create user accounts. In addition, you can come up to Manage, and you can delete your existing templates if you needed to. You can export them out to save them for backup. And you can also, if you want to have other team members use your templates, you can save the template out to a network location. That way, if you've got multiple staff creating accounts, you can share the templates.